What's going on, guys? Welcome to a windy Cal City. We're out here for round 2 of the SoCal MX series. I didn't race round 1 because I was at Golden Helen last week. I don't think I'm going to do the entire series. I'm going to do just 1 or 2 of these races, and then I'm going to commit more to the swap moto series. But so far it's pretty good. I just finished practice. Race 1 just took off, the quads. And so far the track's looking pretty good. Feeling pretty comfortable. I got pretty much all the jumps down. There's one jump I haven't done yet that's really big.
I'm gonna go with Mario.
Hi, Dane.
Hi.
He hasn't been here forever.
13 years.
Yeah, Mario's going up right now, so we're gonna go watch him. And we're race, I think I'm race 6 and 11, so it should be a pretty good day. Got good time in between to take a break and all that, so. Bike's feeling good, got fixed the flat front tire, so we're good there. Feeling confident. Let's watch Mario. Well, I just finished the first race. Didn't do half bad. Dane's disappointed.
I crashed twice.
He go down, go boom. I'm not sure where I finished. I think I finished either 2nd or 3rd, depending on who was in front of me. I know it's at least 2nd, if not 3rd, so not too bad. Those rollers really take a lot out of me, though. Just trying to sit up and pull the bike up is what's getting me.
Yeah, these ones or these ones?
These first, these ones over here. Other than that, though, it's a pretty good track. Our next race is coming up pretty soon, so see how that goes. Haircut. I got rocks in my hair. Well, I finished Moto 1 of Open C. Decent start, held on for 2nd. What's his name? Bluff passed me well in the beginning, and then I held off Dylan for a second, just barely held on there, so pretty happy about that. So we're at 2 second places so far in 450C and Open C. Mario just finished his second moto for 250C, and I think he finished like 2-3 or 2-4, something like that. So Dane didn't do so good. He fell in the first moto, and then the second moto he was further back, I think like 5th or 6th. Track's pretty good. It's fun. It's fast. That's the only cool thing about this track. It's fast. So let's try it again. Alright, 3 down, 1 to go. So far, I finished 2 the whole day. Because, what's his name, Bluff, is really fast. He's beating me in every race. He just takes off and he's gone.
How far is he?
Oh, I have no idea where he is. I can't see him anymore. He's just gone. That last race though was barely that was a tough one. Actually, the last 2 races were tough. First one was Anderson, just barely holding on for him. And the last one was tough, holding off Hernandez for second, just barely. If we went one more lap, there's no way I was gonna finish third or second. So I'm gonna try again. Last race, see if I can hold on for second again.
Since you have more viewers, comment down below and tag me. Should I start in second or first?
We learned he starts in first. And it's kind of, well, not obvious, but well known, I think, that everyone starts in second.
I did pull 4 out of the 4 hole shots in the last race I did.
No, you didn't.
Starting in first. No, I'm sorry, 3 out of the 4.
And he said you didn't get the 4th one.
It's still good.
I was there for that one.
Still good.
All right, one more, and call it a day. every now and then I'll surprise myself. It's all because I remembered socks. Socks made the day so much better. Last week, no socks just sucked. It was like walking with sandpaper on my legs.
That's uncomfortable.
When I was riding, it wasn't bad. Just walking around afterwards, it was just the little bit movement of my leg in the boot. Just
Actually, that could get you a rash sometimes.
I'm sure it did. Or sure it could. It didn't excite. Every time I got off the track, I cleaned it out so it wasn't as bad.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's weird.
But yeah, because I remembered socks, I did better. I also got pretty decent starts. I got overall in the day, I got 3 seconds, and 1/3. 2 of those seconds were just by the skin of my teeth. If it went one more lap, there's no way I was gonna finish second. I'm not sure if I could have held him off any longer than that.
Was it Anderson or some other guy?
One was Anderson on the first open race, and the other one was Hernandez on the second 450C race.
Oh.
And it was tough. I also made a bunch of mistakes in a couple of the races.
I wonder if Mario would have caught you if he has another lap or two.
If there was another lap in the last one, Mario, he was on me.
Yeah, I was on him.
He was on me like
I was on
the
you
last
too.
lap. I heard him. I was like, I knew he was there. But then by the time we got around the next lap, he wasn't right behind me anymore. So like, if he would have stayed on it, he probably would have caught me. And that's
at the very end.
maybe not have passed me, but he would have been definitely like pushing me around the corner.
Yeah.
Look, once Anderson was around me and the other what's his name Bluff was past me, I was like, all right, we're sticking for third. I didn't even bother trying to catch up to him because there's no way. And Anderson did go down at one point.
Yeah, I saw that.
And I got by around him, but then I was just waiting for him to catch back up to me because I knew he was coming.
Actually, I got around it like he picked up his bike, started going just as I was passing, but he just got right back around.
Yeah, he was
pretty quickly.
hauling ass.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty good day. I actually didn't get.
No, you did really good, Jay.
I got 12th. A third and a second. Right, a second and a third overall. I might do 1 or 2 more of the SoCal races, but probably not. I'm not gonna do the whole series for sure. I'm just gonna do a couple of them, and then we'll try to do all the swap races because work and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna stick to most of the swap races. I'll do whatever there isn't something else going on. I'll head back to SoCal, but other than that, I'm not gonna bother with the points. So next race is Is it pine trees? They're pine trees, yeah. We're gonna see how well that goes again. The keyword I said last time was, this is stupid. That is what I said the entire time, where this is stupid. So we're gonna try it again. They pack us in there so bad.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're gonna try it again and see how Mammoth goes. And that's, I guess, the next race really. It's a couple weeks from now, so we'll see what happens in between.
So riding a couple times, right?
We'll probably do something. We'll figure something out. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you guys want to see more and follow along whatever race we do, make sure you hit the subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.